Now we'd like to move on to the next award-winning project, the 3-runway system of project C3201 Deep Cement Mixing Works Package 1 in Hong Kong. For the fourth of a construction project category, and we'd have a representative from Goyo Construction. First of all, thank you very much for giving us this very honorable award. I'd like to, on behalf of all the members who dedicated their efforts to this project, I'd like to explain what this project was about. So my name is Suzuki from Goyo Construction Company, and I will quickly go through the overview of the project. So this is the overview summary. This airport started out with 2 runways. This is the hub airport in the regions, and they were hitting the capacity limit. So they had a landfill of the ocean side, and they had a soft land ground, and they needed to fortify the ground. And they needed this deep cement mixing works, which was developed in Japan. And this construction was the project package 1 to ratify or reinforce the ground. We had Airport Authority Hong Kong to be the project owner. The consultant this was a 3-company joint venture, and the improved volume, it was at 7.3 million volume metric, and the cement we used was 1.955 million ton metric. This was a quite extensive size of a project. Let me go into the details of the cement deep mixing. You use a specialized ship you see on this slide. And there's this shaft owning the wind, and you actually insert the cement slurry from the tip, and you will be rotating it to pull it out, and you mix it with the soil and let the cement go through the chemical reaction with the water and let it solidify. So there's been challenged the insufficient soft ground strength and the subsidence in coastal development, and hence we applied this method. Back in 1975, the cement and the slurry mixing and a solidification method was established and was put to practical use. And we've been accumulating a great track record inside and outside with this method. The characteristics and the strength of this method is that the strength emerges in a short period of time, shortening the construction period, no liquefaction, and no minimum impact to the environment. And these are the strengths that attracted the interest of the project owner. And we conducted 2 testing in the field after doing the small-scale testing in Japan, and we've adopted this project. And this is the state of the site back in 2017. We had 40 operating ships. In total, we had 200 cruisers ships which dealt with this project. So we needed to orchestrate all these activities that was done by many ships. We had laid out various schemes, including what they need to do in case the typhoon hits, and we took extra measures to make this an environmentally friendly construction. Pollution prevention frames has been put. Real-time water quality monitoring is done. And that's been done day and night. And if we notice any irregularity, we stopped the whole operations, prioritizing to minimize the impact to the environment. And this was a quite a diverse, inclusive. We had Indonesian, Nepalian people in the field, and so we had I used several languages in communicating, and we had a virtual reality, the remote working be done by some people who were managing the process in Japan, and we prioritized the safety, and we made sure that all these people who got involved would be able to contribute in the best way possible.